Hello, this is Kirill from forexboat.com and welcome to part 4 of our series of MQL4 tutorials for complete beginners. Today we'll be talking about Boolean operations and Boolean variables. So this is the meta editor programming environment, and let's go ahead and create a new script. We do this by clicking the new button in the top left corner. Then we need to select script, click next, and give our script a name. I'm just going to call mine tutorial 4. Then quickly check that this is indeed our information, and we don't need any parameters. Then we just click finish, and there we go. That's our script template. I'm just going to get rid of these two lines which are actually comments and are not necessary. And we'll start off by talking about Boolean expressions. So any Boolean expression can have one of two distinct values, true and false. So there's only two values and no more than that. Let's look at an example. 4 is less than 5. This is a Boolean expression, and in the world of MQL4, when the program is running, this expression will actually be replaced by its result, and the result of this expression is true because 4 is actually less than 5. So this value, true, will be put instead of this expression. And how we can check this is by adding an alert statement, and in that way. So we'll just compile that. We'll go to the terminal and find tutorial 4, and we'll run it, and as you can see it returns the value of true. So that's good. We'll just put a comment here, true, to remember. Now let's look at another one. Say 10 is greater than 100. We expect this one to be false. Compile, and let's have a look. So true is the first one, and the second statement is false, which is correct. Let's look at another one. Alert, and we want to check if 2 equals to 3. So as you can remember from the last tutorial, equals, single equals is the operation for assignment. For checking if two values are the same, we need to use a double equals. So that's how we check if 2 equals to 3. This one we also expect to be false. Compile. Let's check that. So true is the first one, false is the second statement, 10 is not greater than 100, and last one is false as well, 2 is not equal to 3. Alright, so in MQL4 we have 6 different logical operations, and I'll just list them here. So it's double equals is to check if two expressions are equal. Exclamation mark equal is to check if two expressions are not equal. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So that's basically all of the logical expressions, and we've already used 3 here in our examples. The next step is to look at how we can actually store the results of these expressions in variables. So I'll just comment this out because we don't need it anymore. And I'll move it back by pressing Shift Tab. Shift Tab is to move back, and Tab is to move forward. Just move it back to keep consistent formatting. And we'll look at a Boolean variable. We'll call it result, and we'll give this variable the result of. We'll assign this variable the result of the expression 4 is less than 5. So 4 is less than 5. That's true. So the value true will be substituted here, and it will be recorded into result, and then we'll print result out using an alert statement. So what we expect to see is true on our screen. There we go, just one alert, and it says true, and that's great. That means everything's working as we expected. So this is true. So in that way, you can store results of logical expressions in Boolean variables, and that will come in very handy when in the next tutorial we talk about the while loop. That's all for today, and maybe have a play around with these other logical expressions, and hope that tutorial was useful, and see you on the next one. Until then, happy coding.